Hello besties, how are we doing? Welcome back to another video. And this video, I love to always give you the topic, and I would like to tell you what this video is about. So I'm going to share with you stocks you can buy and you can retire. Like, these stocks are going to do a lot in your life. So let's go, let's go, let's go. So let's talk about it. Okay, so let's go. First off, I need you to know that these are stocks that I'm watching, stocks that can give you $100, $1,000, $2,000, regardless. The beautiful thing about stock market is just start from where you are. You do not need to envy anyone. If you are at the level of $50, begin with your $50. If you are at the level of $500, begin with your $500. If you are at the level of $1,000, just know that if you can get results with $50, if you move to 100, you will get the same result. Make sure you focus on the strategy that makes more sense. So, what are we going to talk about today? Meanwhile, welcome to my YouTube channel. I do hope you have subscribed and I do hope you're loving the content. This is purely educational. If you follow me, you will see that some of the things I've been saying have been making people money. Some people reach out to me and they thank me that they have made money because of the things they have learned from my YouTube channel. So kindly subscribe, like this video, drop a comment. Thank you very much. And the ideas I'm sharing in these videos are my personal experiences, my research, and what has worked for me. So do your own due diligence. When I tell you the stocks to buy, please go to the charts, look at the charts, study it, and make sure you learn them. And if you wish to learn from me, you can join our community. We have the Stock to Wealth Academy and we have the VIP. 10,000 for the basic, 50,000 for the VIP. And you would enjoy making money with us. So moving on, what are you going to learn today? I'm going to show you how to build a good portfolio. I'm going to show you how to master one stock, make money from them, and create new millionaires. So if this is the kind of content you love, please stick around to the end and I'm going to share with you something that is very interesting. So let's go to the charts. Okay, let's go to the charts. Can you see what's going on here? Bitcoin has run up to 97,900, almost 98,000, guys. Bitcoin is heading to $100,000. $100,000. And I want to show you how we have been playing this game. The truth is that you may not have had the money to play this game even when Bitcoin was at 64,000. Even when Bitcoin dropped to 52,000, even when Bitcoin was at 68,000, you may not have had the money. But look at this move. It's called parabolic move. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my Lord. It's amazing. So how have we played this game? Had it been you had followed my instructions when I pointed out that we were buying Coinbase at 165, we were buying Coinbase at 165, and I pointed it out to my community. I said, buy this stock. I even came to YouTube and I posted it. I said, buy this stock. This stock, what we've been doing is to be taking profit. We've been taking profit. See, it even came down a little bit again, and then it had its own parabolic move. Look at this. $341. So imagine if you had bought this stock at 165. Oh, scratch that. Let us assume you did not get the information on time, but you jumped in at 200. That means 200 to 340. You would have made $140. Can you see how your money can work for you? So this is how we have played the game. Another one we played is called CleanSpark. This is a Bitcoin miner. We bought this stock when it was $10. And look at this, it almost touched 18, meaning we have had at least 70% of our money back. And see, it pulled back to 13, and I still posted it in my community. I told them, grab this stock at $13 or less and ride it all the way back. So for those that missed the opportunity here, this is another opportunity. See, the thing about stock market is you have to be able to spot opportunities when you look at the chart. All the money you want to make is in the chart. Okay, all the money you will ever make, it's when I'm looking at this chart, I'm seeing where my money is. I'm knowing where to grab, where to jump in, where to jump up, and where to jump out. So this is why this is very interesting. So this, I just felt I should let you know, Even Amazon, I remember telling us that Amazon was around 180. That Amazon was around, yes, around here, 180. That this stock is going to go to 200. See what happened. This stock ran from 180 to 215, even surpassed. And look at what's going on here. It's having a pullback. This stock can even pull back into the 198, 195 because there's a strong support around 195. It may bounce up from 195 back to 215. Another opportunity to make money. This is what I'm talking about. So when I say that whenever I'm looking at the charts, I see where money is. These are the things you should be learning. Okay. So how do you build a portfolio? So this is something I teach in the community. So I'm just going to give a brief breakdown. So what we do in the community is that 20% of your money goes into REIT. REIT is real estate investment trust. If you don't know about REIT, I have done a video on it. Please go and watch the video, and I'm going to link it in the comment section. So click on it and see how to invest in real estate without lots of money. Like you can invest in real estate stocks with just $10, and these companies pay you every month. You receive monthly salary. This is sweet, right? And then another thing we do is that we put 10% of our money into ETF like VTI, VOO. If you don't understand these words, please go and research them, or you can join the community so you can learn. All right. And then you put another 40% in what we call the runners, the growth stocks. So I'm going to give you one example of our runner. One example of our runner is NVIDIA. So let me look for NVIDIA and pull it up so we can look at it together. So NVIDIA, this is NVIDIA. This is one of our runners. So this is, you see this yellow line is where we bought it because I can see a strong support here. So anytime it bounces back to this place, we are grabbing it. And right now, the resistance points, because when it bounced off here at 101, it got to 131 and it got rejected down. So now this place has become the new support. Can you see? Each time the stock comes here, it goes up again. Each time it comes around 131, 132, it goes up. And right now, this stock, I am hoping the stock will come back to retest that 131, 132 range. And we can also add more to the ones we have and ride it up. This stock is going to 170. This stock is going to 200. You see, when I mentioned the other one, all right, so like I said, when I mentioned for Amazon, some people did not pick up, but this is another opportunity that I'm sharing with you. If you're smart, you will definitely grab this opportunity and run with it. So this particular stock is making me happy because this is what I call the runners. What I do with this stock is whenever this stock pulls back, I buy more and add to what I already have. And when it gets to the peak, I take some profit. When you want to learn how to take profit without selling all your stocks, you should be in the community because this is one of the secrets, one of the ways I teach you how to make money in the long run. So you can keep collecting profits from now till next year and keep buying when the stock goes down. So the remaining 30%, what we do is called the rinse and repeat. So there are stocks we buy for short term, we buy and we sell them. Some of the stocks I have mentioned it before. So if you understand this model, your portfolio is going to be fantastic. So you can master one stock. So you can pick one stock and decide that I'm going to study everything about this stock. Look at it the last 30 days, the last 1 year, the last 5 years, and you begin to see where to play this game. So you see, this is an easy way you can make money with these stocks without having to go and do a lot of things. Just understanding when the right time to buy, when I will sell. These things are very important. So the next stocks that we're going to be sharing in the community, I'm going to be discussing with them a stock that is going to return about 80 to 100%. This is one of the reasons why you should be in our community. You can pay your 10,000 to be in the basic, where you get the basic foundation, because you must learn how to do it by yourself. I don't want you to be dependent on me. I want you to learn how to spot good stocks. and have the watch list and be able to get in and get out and collect your money. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it made a lot of sense for you. And speaking again on Nvidia, let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. So on the 5 minutes time frame, Nvidia reported their earnings last night, and this is what happened. Nvidia sold off. You see this 137 I mentioned, it touched a bit of 137. So it's most likely that when the market opens today, being Thursday, this stock may touch 135, 134, 133. And remember what I told us, that whenever this stock gets to this range, 131 to 134 range, it's a good place to buy for it to completely, move up again. So you see, this is just understanding that your money is in the chart. So you may look at it and you'll be seeing red and green, but when I look at it, I see more of where my money are. So make sure you join the community and ensure that the things you've learned, you can write them down, play the game, and when you've made money, please come back to this video and write, "Thank you, Julia, I made some money with your ideas." That would really make me happy. And I hope to see you in the next video. I have a very interesting topic that I'm coming up with, and I do hope that you're going to enjoy that lesson with me. So see you in the next video.